What are the signs that Allah loves you and you love Allah? What are the signs? You see, Al-Hasan al-Basri, rahimahullah, he mentioned that a group of people claim to love Allah so much. So many people claim to love Allah. Everyone claims to love Allah and Allah loves them, right? The sinner, the rebellious, the one who transgresses against Allah. So many people are claiming they love Allah and Allah loves them. Even the Christians and the Jews, they claim that Allah Azza wa Jal loves them. وَقَالَتِ الْيَهُودُ وَالنَّصَارَى نَحْنُ أَبْنَاءُ اللَّهِ وَأَحِبَّاؤُهُ. The Jews and the Christians, they said, we are the sons of God and we are His most beloved. So everyone claims this. So Al-Hasan al-Basri rahimahullah said, so many groups claim to love Allah. Then Allah revealed an ayah that is going to measure our love for Him, whether it's true or not. And this ayah, al-ulama rahimahumullah, they refer to it as ayatul mihna. It is the testing ayah. Allah Azza wa Jal said, قُلْ إِن كُنْتُمْ تُحِبُّونَ اللَّهِ فَاتَّبِعُونِي يُحْبِبْكُمُ اللَّهِ. Allahu Akbar. This is how we measure whether we love Allah and Allah loves us back. True love for Allah is to obey Allah and His Messenger. Allah Azza wa Jal said, say, if indeed you people love Allah, فَاتَّبِعُونِي, follow me, obey the Messenger of Allah, because obeying Rasulullah is obeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. يُحْبِبْكُمُ Allah. Allah would surely love you. So if you obey Allah and His Messenger in all that they commanded, and you keep away from everything they prohibited and forbid upon us, and you do that lovingly and willingly, then truly you love Allah and Allah loves you. That's the measure. And I'll give you a simple example so you can understand. Let's say a person went to his father and he said to him, Father, I love you. I love you, Dad. And then his father said to him, okay, son, thank you. Go and cut the grass. And then you as a son said, sorry, Dad, I can't do it. I'm not bothered. Then you come again and you say, Dad, I love you. And your dad says to you, well, stay at home tonight because we want to sit together and we want to talk, and don't go with your friends tonight. So you say, Dad, I love you, but I need to go see my friends and I need to speak to them tonight. And every time your dad says to you, do this, don't do this, you keep saying, Dad, I love you, but I can't do this, I can't do that. After all this, you come back to your dad and you say, Dad, I love you. What do you think? He's going to believe you that you love him? Look, your father is going to say, you're a liar, my son. You don't love me. I tell you do this, I tell you do that, stop doing this, stop doing that. You don't listen to me. So how can you say you love me? Allahu Akbar. Now you understand with this small example. How can you say you love Allah if you do not obey Allah? How can you claim you love Allah if you are committing sin after sin, transgression after transgression, not caring about your tawbah and your relationship with Allah? And then how can you, worse off, how can you claim He loves you if you are indulged in sin and transgression and rebellion? La, this is wrong. This is why Al-Shafi'i rahimahullah said in a beautiful poem of his, تعصي الإله وأنت تزعم حبه هذا محال في القياس بديع لو كان حبك صادقا لأطعته إن المحب لمن يحب مطيع. These are beautiful poetic words of Al-Shafi'i rahimahullah. He said, you disobey Allah while you claim that you love Him? This is impossible. It's an unprecedented analogy. It's unheard of. If you love, or if your love had been true, you would have obeyed Him, because the lover is always obedient to the one who he loves. Allahu Akbar. Then that's the first sign of knowing if you love Allah and Allah loves you, and that is by following Allah's orders and instructions and commands and keeping away from everything that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala prohibited.